We continue now with our series of tax tips. Kimberly Craft talks to Bill Brunson from the IRS, who tells us, believe it or not everyone has to file a tax return.
Welcome back, Bill Brunson from the IRS.
Kimberly, thanks for having the Internal Revenue Service on.
Yeah, we're continuing with our tax tips. And according to your prompts, I'm going to ask you, who has to file?
Not everybody has to file a tax return. It's primarily based on your marital status and the amount of income that you have. So let's say that you're filing as a single individual and you have income of excess of $10,000, then you would have a filing requirement for 2013. Married couple filing jointly, both spouses under 65, we're looking at $20,000. And then there are other criteria. Let's say that you have self-employment income and it's in excess of $400. That's going to cause a filing requirement. Or you took a premature distribution from a pension fund because there's a penalty associated with that, you have a filing requirement. Now those are must situations, the code has outlined it, but there are may situations, such as I'm a college student working part-time.
That's my next question. We have a large college population here, and you recommended that I ask you about those under 18 or at that age. So is there something that they should be following at this point?
If you're still being claimed as a dependent on your parents' return, which a lot of people are in college, and you have that part-time job, that tax that's withheld at source is probably fully refundable back to you. So all that federal income tax that was held when you were working that job, you would want to get that back, and the way to do it is to file a tax return. And then there's a couple of other things out there, but one that's very important is called the Earned Income Tax Credit. It's a refundable credit, which means it can cause a refund. So if you're earning around $52,000 a year or less, you would want to see if you do qualify for this very important credit. And all the information we're talking about today, Kimberly, is available at irs.gov.
Well, it is also available at our website, naztoday.com. Thanks, Bill.
Thank you, Kimberly.